According to Mr. Esiedu, safety and security represent many things, including a stable income, consistent housing, clothing, and food supplies as part of the predictability of daily life, protection from crime, and psychological security. He maintained that proper security protects the cash flow of business.
I encourage everyone to do his best in the midst of all those uncertainties in the world to protect themselves, whether home or businesses. Government is doing its part, but the responsibility also lies on us to secure our family and our assets. That is my only recommendation I'll give to the country.
Okay.
Because not only the greatest, but we offer the most competitive product at the best price comparatively than any other brand on the market. So electric fence, CCTV, intruder alarm system, access control, time and attendance, and the vehicle surveillance, all complete security solutions you can think of. That is what we carry.
Technician at Virtual Security Africa, Derek Agbamaji, explained the importance of the key management systems.
Once you are registered on the system, you come and then log into the system to be able to obtain a particular key which you have been pre-assigned a permission to. And so here I'm trying to log into the system. I'm using my biometric access to log in. So I've logged in. The system also uses your facial recognition to be able to log you into the system. All those options are available. So either password, facial recognition, or biometrically with your finger. Now, with the permission I have, for example, as an admin, I can access any of the keys here. And so I want to just take key number 10. So when I press here, the door opens for me. Then I can take key 10 as it lights up. Then whatever I want to do with it, I've done with it. When I'm done, I come back, and then if I want to return the key, I just show the keys to the system.
Please insert the key.
Then it automatically opens for me to then return the key, showing me where to return the key to. So basically, this is how the key management system works.
Virtual Security Africa has developed a reputation for being one of the country's most innovative designers, developers, installers, and integrators of advanced security.